Hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for following this channel. My name is Justice Viva Omhango. You are all aware that UN and a Ugandan judge called Lydia Mugambe was convicted by a UK court for breaking immigration laws. She was convicted for modern slavery in UK. But who is Lydia Mugambe? Her news has spread all over the world. I want to shed a little bit about Lydia Mugambe. Lydia Mugambe was born in 1974, meaning she's 49 years old. This lady was born in Uganda. She graduated from Faculty of Law of Makerere University, the largest university in Uganda. She has a Bachelor of Laws. She was then awarded diploma in legal practice by Law Development Center in Kampala, Uganda. She also holds a Masters of Laws from University of Pretoria in South Africa. Mugambe is a pure Ugandan. Mugambe was studying for a law PhD at University of Oxford, England in 2024. On 7th August 2024, she was charged by Thames Valley Police in connection with ongoing modern slavery investigations regarding a woman she had arranged to come to Britain from Uganda and who was exploiting without pay as her maid. Mugambe claimed diplomatic immunity due to her status as a Ugandan High Court judge and a United Nations judge before she was arrested. And this was shown in short BBC video. But any UN immunity she may have had was waived by the Office of the United Nations Secretary in Vienna. This lady, in 2025, the trial began at Oxford Crown Court. It was revealed that Mugambe participated in very dishonest trade-off involving Mugambe attempting to speak to judge who was in charge of legal action, which John Mugerwa, Deputy High Commissioner at Uganda Embassy in London, was named in exchange for Mugerwa sponsoring the woman's entry into the UK. Now that is not the case. My case is to tell you more about this lady called Mugambe, who is convicted in UK. Her families and everyone is worried about her life because she will serve what we call life imprisonment in UK. This lady was, Mugambe we are talking about is a high profile person. She specialized in law, especially in international law, criminal law, international human rights law, intellectual property law, insolvency law and practice, trade and investment law, corporate finance and commercial law, as well as executive leadership. She also an expert in arbitrator and mediator in many sectors like oil and gas, artificial law, and many sectors and areas concerning law. She has a lot of experience in corporate finance and commercial law. Currently, she's a PhD researcher at University of Oxford in UK and holds LLM in international and intellectual property rights law with distinction from Lund University in Sweden, and an LLM in human rights and democratization in Africa from University of Pretoria in South Africa, and Bachelor of Laws with honors from Makerere University in Uganda. She had also specialized training at Columbia University, Harvard University, and the Southern Methodist University in Texas, USA, as well as Said Business School at Oxford University. She has over 27 years of work experience at international, regional, and national levels, including in litigations, advisory, legal research, drafting, and training. Justice Mugambe has worked at both Chambers Division and the Appeals and Legal Advisory Division of United Nations International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda in Arusha, the International Bar Association in London, UK Interrights in the UK, the African Commission on Human and People's Rights, the Judiciary and Law Development Center Legal Aid Clinic in Uganda. She also currently an examiner and contributor for the Oxford Human Rights Hub at Oxford University. Justice Lydia Mugambe, who was appointed at the High Court bench in 2013, has presided over a number of influential cases, including the ruling against Mulago National Referral Hospital after their negligence resulted in disappearance and loss of newborn twin. In 2020, Mugambe also ruled in favor of prisoners and Ugandans in diaspora to be allowed to participate in general elections and voting of their leaders. So, Lydia Mugambe is not a usual person. Let's pray for her.